Google has again given us a sneak peek of the Pixel 8 Pro, this time with a 360-degree preview. If you had any lingering questions about how the Pixel 8 Pro would look like, Google has got you covered. We've already caught glimpses of the Pixel 8 Pro on occasions. With Google's event just around the corner on October 4th, new leaks keep surfacing. Now we have access to a high-resolution view of the flagship phone through a simulator. This simulator allows you to rotate and explore the device from every angle, providing indicators that point out where different sensors and ports are located. It showcases the phone in 3 colors, confirms that the Pixel 8 Pro will feature an additional temperature sensor alongside its cameras on the back. The simulator was discovered by Jose Rubin, shared by Michelle Rahman on X platform. While Google hasn't officially published a link to this website yet, all you need to do is enter the phone's name in Google's Pixel simulator's URL to access it. It seems like it might have been accidentally made available ahead of time and someone stumbled upon it while exploring. The simulator doesn't provide specifications. There's still a possibility of more leaks regarding the upcoming Pixel model in the next month. Additionally, it seems that the online simulator for the Pixel 8 is not yet available. Google has released some images of the Pixel 8 Pro. It seems like they have kept the SIM card slot. The phone is available in 3 color options: a blue, a porcelain shade, and black. From what we can see in the mockups, there don't seem to be any changes to the home screen software. Google has stuck with their color-coordinated widgets and the familiar at a glance widget. This is actually the time that Google has unintentionally leaked information about the Pixel 8 Pro this week alone. We've already seen a few leaks showcasing Google's Pixel 8 Pro, including photos of it in porcelain and a video demonstrating its temperature sensor. It's worth noting that Google has announced an event on October 4th for launching these phones. So what are your thoughts on these renders of the Google Pixel device? Feel free to share your opinions in the comments section, and for more updates on Pixel news, make sure to check out our channel. I'll catch you all in our update. Until then, take care. Peace out.